Yep, you read that right. Twitch is finally going to be allowing you to combine chats on your stream. For those of you not in the know, Twitch used to not allow you to multi-stream at all. Well, eventually, Twitch said, okay, we're scrapping that. You can multi-stream now, but you're not allowed to display a combined chat overlay on your stream. Oh, and by the way, you're also not allowed to stream at a higher quality on YouTube than on Twitch. Twitch has to be the highest quality. I just don't understand why Twitch is so weird about multi-streaming. They're like a jealous girlfriend that's so desperate to make sure that you don't have any eyes for anyone else. Only Twitch. Imagine you're answering a question over on YouTube. Wouldn't you want your Twitch viewers to also be included in the conversation? Why would you take that ability away from streamers? It just doesn't make sense. The only explanation I can think of is Twitch is scared that you're gonna realize that you have other options. So they want you to pretend like those other options don't exist. Well, earlier this week, multi-streaming was once again put under the spotlight. Giguk, I don't know how to say his name, but Giguk got a warning from Twitch for violating this combined chat rule.
So I got in a little bit of trouble because it is against terms of services to combine Twitch chats and YouTube chats into one chat.
Gigek, if you don't know, is a massive YouTuber that's just a guy who talks about anime. So most of his audience, they're not streamers. So they had no idea that this was even a rule to begin with. Last year, I also got suspended for having a combined chat on my stream. And I believe that the only reason why that happened was because I actually built my own combined chat overlay and then I gave it to you guys to use in your streams. I know there was some confusion that, oh, maybe it was like for a completely different reason. I'm just gonna tell you right now, I know for a fact the reason it got banned was because I had a combined chat overlay that I made. Apparently it pissed Twitch enough that they not only suspended me, but they unlisted all of the highlights on my Twitch account because all of them had the combined chat overlay. If you go to my Twitch account right now, there's no highlights at all. That's the reason why. My suspicion is they thought that I was gonna cuck out and then take down my widget and then also run to YouTube and then warn you guys not to use it. Do you fucking know who I am? Anyway, that's a really long backstory. All of that's in the past now because Dan Clancy just confirmed on his podcast they will no longer be enforcing this combined chat rule anymore.
So to be clear, we are updating our enforcement guidelines to make sure we are not issuing enforcement actions for integrating combined chat on the video from your stream, such as what happened.
So yeah, going forward, it sounds like you're not going to have to worry about getting suspended for combining chats on screen, which is such a stupid thing to even worry about considering all the other stuff that goes on at Twitch. You don't have to separate chats. You don't have to do some weird workaround. They didn't specify whether you had to show platform icons or anything. It sounds like you could just merge chats and display them however you want. Dan Clancy also said a few months ago that they also wouldn't be enforcing that other rule. Previously, you couldn't stream in like a super high quality 4K resolution on YouTube, but then only do a 1080p resolution on Twitch. Twitch had to be the same quality or better than all the other platforms that you're streaming to. That's gone as well. It sounds like Twitch is just giving up and they're finally starting to realize, oh shit, streamers are leaving the platform. They're sick of walking on eggshells all the time. So we don't really have another option. So we're just gonna let you do the thing that you've been asking for years. Now, he did go on to say that you are, of course, still responsible for moderating your other chats. So if you're multi-streaming to YouTube, you need to make an active effort to ban people that are like shouting racial slurs at you while stream. And given my experience streaming to other platforms, you might have to do that pretty often. If you're looking for a good tool for combining chats, I highly recommend using StreamerBot. It's super customizable, supports 7TV emotes, it's got all of the badges and stuff. But most importantly, It's got all of the built-in tools that you'll need for banning viewers, deleting sussy messages. So if you need to moderate multiple chats, you can do it really easily in StreamerBot. If you're looking for one to use as an overlay for your stream, there's a lot of good ones. I'm just gonna chill for myself. I built my own multi-chat overlay. This is the one that I've been using on my streams personally. I put it up on my website, nuttygg. It's completely free to use. There's tons of customization options. You can change the fonts, toggle profile pictures, badges. There's even an option that will let your viewers post images and then have them show up in your stream. I would recommend setting this setting to subs only mode because this will definitely be abused. There's also a super minimal horizontal version. This one just scrolls along the bottom of your stream, so it doesn't take up a lot of space in your overlay. And for those of you that are on the $10 tier on nuttygg, first of all, thank you for supporting the channel. I also released a special bullet style version, kind of like the ones you see on those Japanese websites. I posted a video about this on Twitter. A lot of you guys saw that. That tweet kind of blew up. This one is a members only widget, but don't worry, you can cancel after 1 month and you can keep the widget forever, okay? I'm not gonna remote disable the widget just because you stopped giving me money. You can just pay $10 one time and then cancel your subscription. That's totally fine. But if you are a member, you will also get access to all of my other member exclusive widgets. I've got a lot more coming in the future. I'm working on one right now for running cross-platform polls. So all your viewers across Twitch, Kick, and YouTube can all vote in the same poll. That one's gonna be a part of that $10 tier, at least to start. So stay tuned for that one. Yeah, that's right. I'm advertising my own shit in my own video. What are you gonna do about it? You're gonna unview the video? Anyway, come follow me on Twitch. I stream twice a week, or actually, I'm a multi-streamer. So you could also watch me on YouTube or on Kick. I build a lot of widgets that you guys can add to your stream. So if you want to give me suggestions in real time, then check out my stream. I'll also, I had some other stuff to say, but you don't care about that. Check out nuttygg if you want to check out some of the other widgets I built. See you later.